Toot Up Kitchen, boy. I'm hungry.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Toot Up Kitchen. I hope you guys all had a good weekend. Today we're going to start off this recipe by cooking off some bacon. Now, I've diced this bacon up about medium size. It doesn't really matter what size you cut it, but we're just going to go ahead and render out our bacon fat because we're going to be collecting it and using it for our recipe. Next, remove that bacon and be careful not to burn the bacon or the grease, guys. Next, we're going to go ahead and season our shrimp and our scallops with just some salt and pepper. Nothing too crazy for this recipe. I like to add a little bit of extra vegetable oil in my pan with my bacon fat. And next, we're going to go ahead and just sear those scallops off. Those are going in first only because I really want them to get a nice sear on them. Next, I'm just going to add my shrimp in. These will take no time. They will be the last to go in and the first to come out. I really try to develop some sort of like organization in this pan, but I just said, whatever. You just kind of put them in there. Remember, last to go in, first to come out. Flip over all of your shrimp, and those don't need to be too crazy. Just cook them all the way through. Give them some nice flavor with the bacon fat, and all of that. Butter, oil, it's nice so far. Go ahead and pull out all your shrimp. Next, we're going to go ahead and turn over all our scallops. See, there's a nice little sear on those scallops. Not the best of the best, but really, really decent. And they taste amazing. And you should just, they smell amazing too, to be honest. Go ahead and take that bacon fat and that grease and just move it over to another pan or a pot. Just something a little bit easier to work with. Next, I add about a half stick of salted butter. I like to let this butter brown in there with the bacon fat. Then I add in some minced garlic, about 3 or 4 cloves. It's foaming up because of the bacon, guys. But yeah, go ahead and add some spinach in there. You could use kale too, to be honest with you, but I'm using spinach. Next, we're going to go ahead and add some sun-dried tomatoes. Then I'm going to add in some fettuccine. Mix that all up. I have some white wine here. You can use any type of white wine, cooking wine, whatever you want to use. And just salt that up just a little. And add a little pepper too. And just keep mixing it. Really, this is a fun recipe and it's relatively quick. I have some grated parm here, so I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle that in there as well. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add our seafood back into the pasta. Alright, that's what you get. A nice, developed, mixed, smoky, rich, delicious dish. Everything about this just screams, I want to smack your mama, because this is too damn good. I don't know if I said that right, but yes. Enjoy that.